how to find the HCF. So first example is 12 and 16. What is the difference between the 12 and 16 is 4. 4 is divisible by the 12 and 4 is divisible by the 16. So answer will be the 4. In second case, 18 and 22. It is also difference between the 4. 4 is divisible by 18? No. 4 is divisible by the 22? Is no. So in these cases, calculated the factorial. So 4 factorial is equal to 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 1 factorial. So 2 is divisible by the 18 and 2 is also divisible by the 22. So answer will be the 2. In third cases, 4, 16 and 22. So in these cases, 4 minus 16 is equal to 12. 22 minus 16 is equal to 6. And 22 minus 4 is equal to 18. So in these cases, list number are 6. सबसे कम number 6 है. So 6 is divisible by the 4? No. So in these cases, what is the 6 factorial? So 6 factorial is equal to 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 1 factorial. So 3 is divisible by the 4? No. Then second one is 2 is divisible by the 4. Then 2 is divisible by the 16 and 2 is divisible by the 22. So answer will be the 2. In next cases, 15, 20, 30 and 45. In 4, if the 4 number are given, then same process, 15 minus 20 is equal to 5. 20 minus 30 is equal to 10. 45 minus 13 is equal to 15. And 45 minus 15 is equal to 30. So these number are 5. 5 are divisible by the 15, 20, 30 and 45. So answer will be the 5. In these cases is 70, 21, 25 and 27. So what is the difference between the 27 minus 25? Because हम 70 माइनस 21 करेंगे तो डिफरेंस ज़्यादा आएगा. तो इस 2, तो सबसे लिस्ट तो 2 ही है. तो 2 में 2 इज़ डिविजिबल बाय द 17? नो. सो 2 फैक्टोरियल इज़ इक्वल टू 2 into 1 factorial. That means 2 is not divisible by the in this 17 and 21 and 25 and 27, but 1 is divisible by the 70, 21, 25 and 27. So the answer will be the 1. Thank you.